May affordable bungalow dito sa may Salvador Estate Subdivision, Sucat, Parañaque. May lot area na 240 square meters. May 2-car garage. May covered patio, pati covered porch. At pagpasok mo, makikita mo ang maluwag na regular size living area. Meron tong floor area na 200 square meters. Ito yung kanyang dining area malapit sa kitchen. May total of 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms to, plus attic. Panoorin mo din yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para mas ma-explore mo ang new house mo. As in, marami na tong nadaan ng bagyo at lindol, pero buong buo pa rin siya. Ganito talaga yung mga owner-built houses. Talagang made to last, matitibay ang pundasyon niya. Pati yung materials niya, mga quality. Ito yung one of the bedrooms. Yung price and full details nasa description box below the video or nasa comment section yung link. Follow for more ha kasi dito mo makikita ang dream house mo. Call me for viewing. Bye!